Hello, as you know, my name is Kainson, the Tech Pro, and today we continue from day 13 of the HackerRank coding challenge. Today we are going to be talking about abstract classes. Now, this follows from the previous challenge in day 12 where we talked about inheritance. Today we are going to just create an abstract class. So the task says, given a book class and a solution class, write a myBook class that does the following. Inherits from book, has a parameterized constructor taking these three parameters: string title, string author, and int price. Then we are going to implement the book class abstract display method so that it prints these three lines: title, colon, a space, and then the current instance title, 2 author, colon, a space, and then the current instance author, and 3 price, a space, and then the current instance price. So let's go ahead to write it, and this is how the output is going to look like. Alright, so again, we are going to be using Python, and we have Python 3. So I'm going to simply say class book class myBook inherits from book. Perfect. And we are going to write the constructor this way: underscore init, and this is the constructor. And at this point I'm going to delete what we have here. And okay, so we have title, author, and we need price as well. So for this, I'm going to just assign this the title. Sorry, I'm thinking I'm working with Java, so it's gonna be self.title is equal to title, and self.author is equal to author, and self.price is equal to price. Okay, so the next one we want to write now is the display method. So it's going to be def display. So let's see. Display methods should print the level of the respective title, author, and price. Okay, so this display method does not take no parameter. So it's simply going to print. So I'm going to say print. Now I'm going to say title space, and this will be the title, and yeah, so it's going to be dot format and specify self dot title. I think this should, yeah, so I think I got, yeah, so it's going to be self. So I forgot to place this what am I doing here, self the title, but you need to place the self keyword here. All right, so self. Okay, great. The next line we are going to print the author. So I'm going to say print author is going to be like this. Dot format is going to be self the author, and finally we are going to print the price. So this is print, not price. So the last line is going to be print price. The format self.price. All right, so this is what we have, and let's see. Okay, so let's just try to run it to see if it works. So that's what you can just do. Just click on run, and let's see if it works. And it passed the sample test case 0. So I'm going to just submit, and let's see if everything goes well. So I'm going to click on the submit code button. So there are 3 test cases there, and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see that it passed all the test cases, the 3 of them. And I think we have done a good job. If you've come this far, thumbs up to you. And we are going to continue from day 14. But meanwhile, I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe and also leave me a comment if this has been informative for you. Remember, I'm Kainton the Tech Pro, and I'm always there for you.